been humans yet, have you?
So, here's this bird that came on our porch, flew to our fence, and actually letting us pet him or her. And we're feeding her some bread, or him some bread. So, no?
There we go. Good.
I seriously can't believe this right now.
I wonder what kind of bird it is.
Say hi for the camera.
Hmm?
Yeah. If anyone knows, please say in the comments.
Gracie, no. No. No, Mama.
She wants to get the bird, but we're not going to let her get the bird.
Not gonna let her. All right. You want to go down? That's fine. Not gonna get the bird here, okay? As far as you can go. No. No.
This is just... It's unbelievable.
Good bird. No.
Oh, to find a wild bird this friendly, this young.
Yeah, because you can see it's under feathers.
Yeah.
That's still part of its baby feathers. So this is still a juvenile bird. Hi.
What? You can't get it because you'll kill it. That's why you can't get it, cat.
Wonder.
This is just crazy.
Hi. Hello. See his eyes closed? Oops, sorry.
Yeah, you're on camera.
Good birdie. Good little bird.
Yeah.
Hello. Ray's got a new vehicle. Yeah, I see that. Unless he's temporarily using Patty.
Wow.
Yeah, that is what Patty.
Crazy.
She might let him borrow it. Unless they're up here. Mm-hmm.
There it goes.
Try again.
Yep, try again.
There you go. One more. Wait a moment.
Yeah, I've noticed you might have to squish her a little yard so they won't fall apart, but
Hi.
this is just crazy. Absolutely crazy.
No fear. Yeah. Hi. It's pooping.
Yeah, actually, that was already there.
On this side.
Oh, yes, it is. Not playing that on camera. I can help.
I know
help it.
there's...